Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Help a Child Reach 5, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our dignitaries, friends from the media, and our expecting mothers. Thank you so much for being here this afternoon and sharing this special occasion with us. I would like to introduce our dignitaries on stage. We have with us Ms. Anaga Code, Strategy and Partnerships Manager for South Asia from Children's Investment Fund Foundation, CIF. Please give all of them a huge round of applause. Mr. Samir Singh, Executive Director, Hindustan Unilever. We have Kajol with us, Hand Washing and Lifebuoy Help a Child Reach 5 Ambassador. And Dr. Mahesh Balsekar, leading pediatrician at Bridge Candy Hospital and Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital. Thank you so much for being here with us, all of you. I'm especially happy as an expecting mother myself, emceeing an event which focuses on helping the other pregnant women, or I should say expecting mothers. Today we are all gathered here to unveil the next film from the campaign, as well as launch a new program impacting millions of people in rural area. The campaign has advocated hand washing with soap as the most cost-effective in helping to save a child. May I please request first Mr. Samir to share the Lifebuoy Help a Child Reach 5 campaign's journey and share his thoughts on the milestones with us.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to an event that we at Lifebuoy and Unilever are very, very passionate about. और सबसे पहले मैं जो करीब 100 महिलाएं इधर हैं जो माँ बनने वाली हैं उनको वेलकम करना चाहूँगा with a huge round of applause. आपके लिए आज कुछ बहुत स्पेशल है मैसेजिंग में और जो काजोल और बाकी लोग बात करेंगे and it is something that in Lifebuoy we take very, very seriously. Look, I am one of the most worrying statistics in the world is that one child under 5 dies every 15 seconds. If I just look at India, 12 lakh children under 5 die every year. And these deaths are not happening because of cancer or Ebola. These are happening because of diseases like diarrhea and pneumonia. Which doesn't just make me sad, it makes me a bit angry because we can prevent these. And we can prevent these by something as simple and as mundane as washing hands with soap. And that actually is the reason that Lifebuoy runs the world's largest behavior change program. क्योंकि हमारा मानना है कि जब आप लोगों के behavior change करेंगे, क्यों साबुन सबके घर में है, लेकिन लोग उसको use नहीं करते खाने के पहले या टॉयलेट के बाद. अगर if we can make that behavior change, we will actually change the world. We'll reduce child deaths dramatically. और हम we want to reach 1 billion people. We've already reached some 26 crore people across the world. We've reached more than 6 crore people in India, but we want to reach 1 billion by 2020. And हमारा मानना है कि एक कंपनी होने के बावजूद हम यूनिलीवर हैं, हम इसको अपने बिजनेस में इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं. Because I really believe, I don't believe in the word CSR, which is corporate social responsibility, because that is charity. And we don't do charity. It's only when a thing works for your business, do corporates like us do it year after year after year. And that's what we've been doing, because it's good for our business, but at the same time, it makes society better. And whatever makes India or society better is good for a corporate like Hindustan Unilever. Couple of years back, हमने एक program start किया था, Help a Child Reach 5. उसमें एक film release करी थी, which was a huge hit. We won sort of awards in Cannes, etc. It was a father walking on his hands to thank God that his child had survived. It was called Gundappa. And actually that was the film that Kajol saw. And I was there when she saw it and I think broke out into tears and decided at that moment to actually become the ambassador for Help a Child Reach 5, free of cost. That I haven't met any celebrity ever, or an actress who would do that. So this really is very, very close to her heart, I know. And the village that we adopted, which was Thesgora, within 6 months, Lifebuoy hand washing program के बाद और कोई intervention नहीं था. We managed to reduce the incidences of diarrhea from 37% to 5%. So that is the huge difference that something like hand washing can make in our lives. And now from one cluster of villages in Madhya Pradesh, we are making it really big. We are going to Bihar. We are in partnership with the Children's Investment Fund. I'm happy to announce today that we are going to go to more than 90 lakh school children in Bihar and change behavior. So it's one of the biggest behavior change initiatives ever taken in this country. And not only that, one of our big emphasis is going to be neonatal. Because the fact is, more than 50% of under 5 child deaths happen in the first 28 days. अगर उन 28 दिन में बच्चे के पैदा होने के बाद अगर हम हैंड वॉशिंग करें और बच्चे को बीमारी नहीं हो, there is a huge probability कि वो बच्चा in rural villages will survive till the age of 5. And therefore, targeting this to pregnant women is, or mothers to be, or mothers who've just been mothers, it's called the neonatal program, is a huge thrust for us. And I think, last but not least, what I'd say is there is a movement in the country, thanks to the Prime Minister's Swachh India initiative, that I think corporates like us can help. And लेकिन अगर भारत को स्वच्छ बनाना है तो आदतों को भी स्वच्छ बनाना पड़ेगा. And that is the philosophy of Hindustan Unilever, that आदतों से स्वच्छ इंडिया बनेगा. Because आप कितने भी टॉयलेट्स बना लो, but अगर लोग उन टॉयलेट को यूज़ नहीं करेंगे तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. And similarly hand washing, and similarly what we are doing for clean drinking water. But today, we are going to focus on hand washing. We're going to focus on our most important audience, which is all of you, mothers to be, at a crucial juncture in life, because we believe if you can change behavior there, you will change behavior for life. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sameer. Absolutely right. अगर हमें एक स्वच्छ भारत चाहिए, तो हमें आदतों को बदलना पड़ेगा. आदतों को स्वच्छ करना पड़ेगा. Thank you so much for the few words. I would now request Anaga to please come forward and share a few words on the Bihar program along with the partnership of Help a Child Reach 5.
Thank you. Thank you, Sameer. I think on behalf of the Children's Investment Fund Foundation, very happy to be here. I think as an organization, we believe that every child deserves to not only survive, but also thrive. And right from pregnancy to early childhood and adolescence, every child, irrespective of where he or she is born, should have an equal opportunity to survive and thrive. And SIF, as an organization, independent philanthropy, is committed to making this vision a reality. Very briefly, I think we believe that basically undernutrition, issues which Sameer already spoke about, diarrhea, pneumonia, these are some of the most significant issues which are preventing children and even society from reaching their full potential. And we stand committed to working on these issues. We've recently made a global commitment to work on issues of maternal and child nutrition in 5 countries across the world. 3 in Africa and 2 in Asia, mainly Bangladesh, and in India we're looking to work in the state of Rajasthan to see how we can bring transformative programs and really make a difference on ground. To do this, we obviously feel that we cannot do this alone, and we work with a range of partners, and especially today I want to talk about our partnership with Hindustan Lever through the Bhavishya Alliance and the program which Sameer mentioned. As he said already, I think it is very disheartening that even today, children continue to die because of diarrhea and pneumonia. So at SIF, we are extremely excited with this partnership because we feel that we will, through the school-based and also the neonatal program, reach almost 9 million children, school children and their families, and really make a difference on ground. We are excited to support 2 of these programs. So as he said briefly, one component is a school-based program where we would look to teach and encourage children, and also through children, their mothers and their families, to follow healthy hand washing to reduce the spread of germs and infections. And the second is the project with the pregnant women, where we're looking at newborn mothers and how we can inculcate healthy behaviors right since the time of birth of the newborn.
A warm welcome to everybody. I'm a pediatrician for the last, all comparable with the best in the world. But I'm also a part of another world. And in the other world, there are 3 million children dying every year. 2 million of these due to respiratory tract infections and gastroenteritis. I'm a part of the world where in India, about 1.2 lakh children die every year. And more than 50% of these are in the neonatal period. But like it is said, that a million death is a statistic, but a single death is a tragedy. So what as doctors we do is that we try to see
millions of women right there who will participate and who will make sure that we bring about a change. Kajol, can we please request you to share a few words as being the hand washing and Lifebuoy Help a Child Reach 5 ambassador, your journey. Please share with us.
Thank you, Nupur. And let me tell you that you're glowing, by the way. पहले मैं शुरू करूँगी हेलो बोलने से आप सब माओं को और because there's so much of estrogen in the room, let's start with Jai Mata Di. Well, I started this journey. मेरी जो शुरुआत हुई थी Help a Child Reach 5 के साथ, वो 3 साल पहले शुरू हुई थी. और जैसे समीर ने कहा, उन्होंने आके मुझे एक वीडियो दिखाया गुंडप्पा के बारे में. तो गुंडप्पा एक आम आदमी की कहानी है जहाँ पे वो मन्नत मांगता है और वो चल के जाता है अपने हाथों पे मन्नत मांगने के लिए, क्योंकि उसका पहला बच्चा 5 साल का हुआ है. कितने बच्चे उससे पहले गए हैं. और माँ होने के नायक मुझे लगता है कि दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ स्कैरी. I know what it is, and as a mother, to have the feeling to lose a child at any point, it's scary, it's horrible, and I would never wish that on anybody in my life ever. I think वो सबसे बड़ी बद्दुआ होगी किसी के लिए. तो as a mother, that's something that if I can do something about, I think it's my duty as a human being to stand up and say that yes, if I can do something, if I can save one child's life, I've done a good job of it. And that's where Help a Child Reach 5 started. वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई हमारे छोटे से प्रोग्राम की, जो इतना बड़ा हो गया है eventually. We started that, और शुरुआत में हमारी एक ही प्रॉब्लम थी एक्चुअली. शुरुआत जब की हमने तो ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी कि सब हमें देखते थे और कहते थे कि ये इतनी छोटी सी बात के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं आप, इतनी छोटी सी बात, it's so silly, it's so stupid. You know, there are lots of other bigger things to tackle in this world. You know, there's a farmer's problem, there's a flood, there's an earthquake, there's a tsunami, there's AIDS. तो इतनी सारी बड़ी चीज़ें हैं, आपने इतनी छोटी बात से क्यों शुरुआत की? और मैं यही कहूँगी कि ये एक छोटी जो आदत है, जो हमारे माँ बाप हमको बचपन में सिखाते थे कि बेटा हाथ मुँह धो के टेबल पे आना, हाथ मुंह धो के जो भी खाना है खा लो. और हमें लगता था कि ये आदत हमको बचपन में सिखाई थी, लेकिन हम भूल गए. हमारे जो लाइफ की जो रफ्तार थी उसकी वजह से हम भूल गए कि ये कितनी ज़रूरी थी उस वक्त और अभी भी. और आज के ज़माने में अगर आप देखेंगे तो वर्ल्ड हैज़ चेंज्ड. जो दुनिया 20 साल पहले थी वो आज पूरी तरह से अलग हो चुकी है. इट इज़ a very, very different world today. Today there are germs and diseases that we don't even know the names for, and I'm sure we will discover more every year and every day. So I think prevention is better than cure, and always will be better than cure. As far as all the mothers are concerned today, मुझे पता है जब मेरी निस्सा हुई थी, by the way, let me just tell you, डॉक्टर बालसेकर ने मेरी निस्सा को भी 1.5 साल तक संभाला है, और so I know him very well. He's an awesome doctor, and he's here for in case anybody has. We have 2 ambulances, we have 2 doctors in waiting. So just for your knowledge. And so I just think that at that point of time, उस वक्त जब एक बच्चा पैदा होता है तो एक माँ के नाते अगर आप देखो अपने बच्चों को तो इट्स मोर देन लव. प्यार से ज़्यादा एक बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है आप पे, और उस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के सामने कोई और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मायने नहीं रखती. that is the one thing that is the most important thing for you in your life. Okay, you have to take care of this child, whatever happens. And those first 28 days, I think I drove my husband, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, my mother, my sister, and everybody mad. मैंने सबको पागल कर दिया था. I think सबके साथ झगड़ा कर चुकी थी. और हैंड सैनिटाइजर सब जगह था, टॉवल सब जगह था, साबुन सब जगह था, एक्स्ट्रा कपड़े रखे थे, जो भी आता था घर में जूते निकाल के अंदर आओ. तो आई थिंक आई वेंट अ लिटिल ओवरबोर्ड, बट आई ऑनेस्टली बिलीव्ड दैट इट वाज नेसेसरी. आई truly believe that it was necessary. It is necessary till today. Dr. Balsekar was very, very nice to me, very, very kind to me when Nissa was born. And उसने मुझे एक पेपर पे पूरी तरह से लिख के दिया कि पानी इतना बॉईल करना चाहिए और ये करना चाहिए, और most importantly, please wash your hands with soap and water before you hold your child, pick up your child. अपने हाथ साबुन से धोना हर बार, और जो भी आपके बच्चे को हाथ लगाता है उससे भी कहना कि उनको भी अपने हाथ साबुन से धोने हैं. अगर आप माँ हो, आपने बच्चे को पैदा किया है, तो आपने उसको जीने का भी हक दिया है. तो उस हक के लिए अगर आपको लड़ना पड़े, आपको जो भी करना पड़े वो ये आपकी ड्यूटी होती है एज मदर्स, दैट वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन, एंड वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर आवर, इफ वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रंस हेल्थ, देन वी विल डू सो. Okay, enough of the emotional. Now we come back to this program, Help a Child Reach 5. We started off with the Gundappa film. We have taken a huge step in Bihar. हमने थेसगोरा से शुरू की थी कहानी, और एक छोटी सी जगह थी थेसगोरा. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जब हम बात करते थे तो हमारे पास नंबर्स नहीं थे. तो अगर हमको किसी को समझाना था कि दिस इज़ व्हाट वी वांट टू चेंज, दिस इज़ हमें आदत बदलनी है, लेकिन लोगों की आदतें और सोच बदलने के लिए वक्त लगता है. एंड यू नीड फैक्ट्स टू बैक इट अप. You need to give them facts, you need to give them proof, you need to give them numbers to say that, this is what we have in front of us. And we didn't have that before Thesgora. But fortunately, because of Thesgora, we have the numbers in front of us today. So, एक छोटी सी आदत एक पूरे village को बदल सकती है. We can bring the incidences of diarrhea and pneumonia down from 36% to 5% in one village. Imagine if we do that around the world. Just imagine the impact that we'll have. We will not have, this is something that we can do something about. We can bring child mortality down, all of us. And we're not talking about a certain section of society. We're not talking about literacy, illiteracy. It's not rocket science. It's not something that nobody can understand. We all understand this. ये सबको समझ में आता है, और बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है समझने में या करने में. इतना आसान है, इसका मतलब नहीं है कि ज़रूरी नहीं है और काम नहीं करता है. Just because it's small doesn't mean that it does not work. And I feel that's the message that we all need to take back with us. That it's simple, but it's very, very effective. And when you talk about cleanliness, when you talk about sanitation, when you talk about clean drinking water, when you talk about any one of the things, big health problems around the world that you want to address, the first step in every program will be to wash your hands with soap. I think Dr. Balsekar knows, and I know for a fact, जब भी कोई हॉस्पिटल में, कोई भी डॉक्टर हॉस्पिटल के अंदर जाएगा तो अपने हाथ साबुन से अच्छी तरह से यहाँ तक धोएगा, ऊपर से नीचे तक धोएगा, और बाहर निकलते वक्त भी they wash their hands with soap and water before they come out of the hospital as well, if I'm not mistaken. So I think their practices should be something that give us a viewpoint of how important it is when they are the people who deal with germs and diseases every day of their lives. Today we have a film, a new step that we have taken in a direction as far as the mothers are concerned. We have a film called, about a little girl called Chamki. और जैसे आप सब माएँ हैं यहाँ पे, हम चमकी को भी लेके आए हैं मेरे को लगता है कहीं पे. I think that in itself makes a difference, because whatever we may say, अगर मैं अपनी माँ को बोलूँ कि नहीं माँ, mommy you should do this, my mother may not listen to me. But if a doctor comes from an